So it sure looks like Nvidia is taking a little bit of a beating to start off the week, right, guys? It's currently about 2 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have Nvidia stock down almost 4%. So you guys know the drill. We're going to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do as I am a shareholder, and where I see the stock going in the short term. But first, guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100. Once you guys do that, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, the clock's ticking. You have a couple more days to get on this deal, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moomoo, and let's get right into the video. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in, and now we're actually wrapping up on 44,000 subscribers here on YouTube. You guys are awesome. The growth here on the channel has been remarkable lately, and I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in as always. So Nvidia right now is not looking pretty. We're down almost 4%. We're at $136.50, which, mind you, we've tested this point time and time again just today. I mean, guys, look, we hit 136.50 a couple hours ago, earlier this morning as well. So what we have on this intraday chart is a pretty clear descending triangle. Do you guys see this? We have lower highs being made into the support at 136 to 136.50. This is a bearish pattern in the very short term. That honestly could lead to more downside. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, we have sold off even more. We're not selling off more as of now, but I wouldn't be surprised if this triangle played out and maybe we bled a little bit more here heading into close. So no doubt, Nvidia is down on the day. We were actually over $142 per share in the pre-market, but now we're down to 136. We are down, about 5% from where we were just today in the pre-market. And to my knowledge, we haven't gotten any news or anything that's sending down Nvidia. It just seems like it's selling off, continuing the little sell-off here after earnings. And guys, it's not like we've been collapsing after earnings or anything crazy like that. We haven't. But we did see a pop on earnings the day, the numbers, actually the day after the numbers came out. We got the pop to 153, but since that point, we sold off a little bit on Thursday, a decent amount on Friday. We actually closed at 141 after being at 152 on Thursday, and today we continued the sell-off here on the 5-day, as obviously we're taking out the lows from yesterday, from looks like all of last week as well. So yeah, Nvidia, guys, on the 10-day, 30-minute, we just hit a fresh low. It's selling off a bit. Is it the end of the world? Absolutely not. Is this a healthy pullback? Absolutely yes, it is. It's a very healthy pullback here on the stock. And the more you pull back the charts, the more you realize that. Here on the 20-day chart, you guys can see, if I draw this out, we are currently at the bottom of this channel, are we not? You guys see it right here. Nvidia is now holding the bottom of the channel. We're trading at it. So you could argue we're due for a relief rally, maybe a little bounce here in the short term. Maybe back towards the high 130s, low mid 140s is where this bounce could bring us to. So you could make an argument that that's where we should go, what we're due for. You can make that argument. If we do, though, break under, let's say 135, we start breaking under this channel here on the 1 hour. Okay, maybe at that point we test the 132 low from the end of October. That's where it could go. But for now, we're oversold. testing the bottom of this channel here, I think we could be due for a nice bounce back. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And here on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see how oversold we are. It's not like it's crazy oversold, but we are now pretty extended under these moving averages on the 4-hour chart. We are down now about, 11% from the all-time high, so we are in correction territory. And overall, the uptrend is still holding. You guys see right here, if I draw this out, let me show you guys. We're still overall in an uptrend, more towards the bottom of this channel. So even though we're not getting a confirmation of a bounce, of consolidation even, I mean, guys, we're down 3.5%. Even though we're seeing that, despite that, I'm still watching this as a buy the dip opportunity. I feel like buyers will come in, now that I'm looking at this chart, anywhere from 130 to 135. I think they will. And this, I mean, guys, this is one stock out there. I mean, there's others, obviously, but this is one that I think is decent right now for a long-term play, the current valuation, and I'm looking at it as a swing trade. It kind of fits both sides here. I think with the growth Nvidia has, the guidance, the P ratio being a little low for the growth, I think it's a decent value here, and it also looks good from a swing trading perspective. And there's other stocks. I think Alphabet, I've mentioned recently. I like it as a long-term play here at this valuation, maybe as a swing trade as well, if you have a little more patience with what's going on with the DOJ, them being a monopoly, them getting broken up. So not every stock that is a good swing trade is a good long-term investment as well. But in this case, at this point in time, with Nvidia, I think it fits both of those molds, and I think Google does as well, Alphabet, in my personal opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, as always. But for now, that's kind of my thought here on Nvidia. I think it's a bit oversold. We're due for a rebound here, or at least some consolidation, sideways trading. And yeah, that's my take here, guys. We're down about 11% from highs, correction territory. I think those buyers will slowly start trickling in here over time in the next couple of days, next week or so. That's kind of my thoughts. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. And by the way, Nvidia's down 3.5%, 4%, whatever it's down, in the midst of a green day. The entire stock market is moving right now. Like I covered in my video this morning, the Russell is breaking out. We hit an all-time high today. The Russell 2000 index is up 2.2%. Looks like here QQQ is up around 0.1%. We're breaking out of this channel. Looks like we're about, 10 days, or not 10 days, $10. 10 days. What the heck am I saying? $10 away from all-time highs. And SPY, if I pull this up, we're about $4 away from all-time highs. I think we got around 20 cents away from all-time highs this morning. And the Dow Jones, guys, hit an all-time high today, just like the Russell. The Dow hit 44,815, which is, remarkable. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm very curious where your head's at. Are you buying the stock, selling? Are you holding, sitting on your hands? Let me know in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe and join the email list. It's free. I'm sending you all my top 3 stocks every Monday. I just sent an email today to over 1,400 people. So guys, check it out using that link down below, and you might as well get your free stocks for a moo. Also linked down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to starsurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, Cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.